But one of the things of people, everybody, so their representative, like the councillor, to the Senate, I only keep quiet over this. And I want you on the dark area. Ninu ojo, Ninu orun. I want your initials are over here. I am the first one here. Yes. I want your dark my name is Okoyemi Ogunlami. So, I want your reading policy, and nobody is addressing us. We're coming from the House of Assembly now, and we've spoken to them. They actually gave us today. They actually gave us today, and we've been there. Nobody attended to us. They came back later to say that the longer this thing is taking, the suffering of our people is increasing. And now the chairman is too quiet over this. We didn't hear anything from the chairman. We didn't hear anything from the local government apart from the time that chairman came with Honorable Kapila Ogbana. And we appreciated the fact that you cared for the people in the community. You gave them $1 million in collaboration with the Honorable. It was fine. But that is not enough. They've given the directive that it was the Oba of Oworo that did it. It's no longer hidden. And people that we elected, from the chairman to the rep to the Senate, should speak for us. They should defend us. They were the ones that elected the Oba. We don't know anything about the Oba, so we cannot go to the Oba. We will only come here to speak with you that please, this silence is not what we want. What the people of Oworo want, we have tendered it before the House of Assembly. That's why we have to branch here. We for Oworo people and the settlement. What we need now, and they should stop the demolition. They should stop the demolition, because the last time we had this inside, the local government, the House of Assembly, it was stated that yes. And we cannot just keep quiet over that. We have facts that place, what they are saying that it's a criminal hideout, it's a big lie. That was on the ground. They've come to destroy that place. Oworo has been peaceful for more than 2 years. You enter Oworo, 12 p.m. you are good to go. So we want to let you know our stance that Oworo want their land back and compensation for those whose lives were destroyed. Because a baby died, 5-year-old child died, women died. On Saturday, a pregnant woman too, and another woman died. And we kept quiet, like nothing is happening. We cannot keep going like this. That is why Lashe Wasebi. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Where is Pastor? No, come on, the joint CDA. Where is he? Pastor Allen. Where is he?
He's not part of.
No, wait. Gbogbo important so you bear last is now.
Yes.
Abi? Yeah. It's not you. You didn't start the thing. It is not started. Okay. Where is Pastor Allen?
He's not here with us. Good. And he's never been with us.
When you see him, ask him. Then he talk about make a competition. House of Assembly. Okay. Pastor Allen, he joined CDA chairman. Èmi ló wá bá lórí issue. Èmi ni mo sọ fún wọn. Even me, I wrote a petition concerning this. I will show you. Wait. Where is this guy? Go and bring the petition I wrote. Can you remember? Oh yeah, go and bring it. Wait. Tori and son ti pe mi o dá sí.
No, we didn't hear from
Wait.
him. That's why.
We don't know. I'm a government. Hold on. Wait. I will show you. Tell me what you're going to see. I've got a memo competition. The House of Assembly. Copied permanent secretary. Copied the governor. Spoke to deputy governor about your matter. If you don't know, it's me that did it. So they will bring it now. I will give you a copy and you will see it.
All right.
So I'm on the same page with you people. You cannot know Oworo more than me. Are you getting it? Can you see who? Ọlọ́run fún mi. church Kerubu tó wà ńbẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn papi Ọláyíwọlá so Oworo part of me ni ibi tí mo dàgbà sí nìyẹn so nígbà tí Pastor Allen when he came tó sọ fún mi what is going on èmi ni mo pe deputy governor hey sir what is happening àwọn wo ló lọ ń wọlé ní Oworo that was how we got to that level of getting wàhálà ọ̀sán you get it so that was why I came there to find out now we now told you people pé list àwọn tó ní ilé lówóró yẹn níbẹ̀ yẹn list yẹn dà why is Alhaji sọ.
Sorry chairman. The chairman says he does not know about it and the Oba of Oworo does not have the constitutional right however to order any demolition. Exactly. Let it be on record. Exactly. No Oba, so far the chairman does not do it, the House of Assembly does not order it. No Oba. The chairman says he does not know about it. And the Oba of Oworo does not have the constitutional right, however, to order any demolition. Exactly. Let it be on record. Exactly. No Oba, so far the chairman does not do it, the House of Assembly does not order it. No Oba has the constitutional right to do this.
And that was categorically in the House of Assembly that the Oba was going behind the demolition.
We do not want, because honorables are here.
Mr. Man, please. I am to clear myself. Yes or no? Yes. So wait. Look at the
Koshofe local government. Look at Koshofe local government. Office of the Executive Chairman, all correspondence to be addressed to the Executive Chairman. 3rd of August 2023. His Excellency, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the Executive Governor of Lagos State, the Secretariat of Obafemi Awolowo, Ikeja. Dear sir, demolition of houses in the Oworoshoki area of Koshofe local government. This is to bring to your urgent attention the ongoing demolition of houses in the Oworoshoki area of Koshofe local government. As you may be aware, sir, listen please. As you may be aware, sir, there has been an ongoing and steadfast demolition of structures, including residential houses, shops, and other structures in the Oworoshoki area, which has affected the people of the community. Over the past week, my office has received several complaints from the people of this community, as most of them are now displaced due to the said demolition. Your Excellency, it is pertinent to note that the ongoing economic crisis, which has engrossed so many households in Nigeria, has even made it difficult for these people to cope with this. So the issue being a trend, social media, as the people are accusing the state and the local government. In view of the above stated, it is my hope that your esteemed office will help intervene in the critical situation which requires our urgent attention. I look forward to your timely and favorable response. Thank you sincerely, Honorable Chairman. Now the letter was acknowledged. We would like to take a picture.
No, why? It's a government. I'm just telling you that a minimum.
Chairman, sorry. Wait, Chairman, you will hear us.
Are you satisfied?
Chairman, whatever that has been done so far has been done. Whatever that's been done, Chairman has shown us. We pay our wanting wọ́n dẹ̀ tún ṣe ìgbésẹ̀ nípa tiwa, but
let the chairman give us.
Yeah, we will do. But here we are clarified. We know where to go. We will face it more, and we want chairman to also stand by the people with his statement, timely statement. Each time we move forward, the chairman should support us.
Okay, sorry, please. This is what we will do. I've done my part. So I will make sure I do a follow-up on this matter tomorrow. Thank you. Also tomorrow, I will visit the community so that you will know that I'm with you. Because that solves the problem. So I will make sure One now, so that we can hear. So we don't want any CDA to send it now. This is what we community hold on. This is what you do. You write a letter to me saying that you don't want any CDA to represent you or to intervene.
The CDAs have been dissolved in Lagos State.
No. We have the same chairman.
Right. The memo is not even out.
Bring the letter to me.
All over Lagos State.
Yes. Act on it. That's one. Two, all the things you want the government to do for you, write it and bring it to me today.
Let's make it tomorrow, chairman.
Make it tomorrow. I'm not telling that I'm more concerned than you. So if I bring it today, bring it tomorrow. Then I'll write a letter following up on those issues that we have raised and making sure that things are done quickly. I'm not happy as well because it's under my local government. So don't worry, I'm not worried.
Want to suffer?